the house, I cooked lunch. I tried to read, but something inside me had shifted. That circle felt connected to the whispers, the steps, the weight in the walls, and my fear grew teeth. I told myself if I still felt like this in the morning, I would leave. I would. But the storm came before the sun could. By late afternoon, the clouds had turned the sky to ash. Rain pelted the roof in sheets. And I felt trapped. The house grew darker, even with the lights on. The walls felt closer, the silence more alert. I sat at the kitchen table, watching water trail down the windows. Then the footsteps returned, but this time, they were inside.